What's up, guys? It is hotter than hot right now. I'm sweating like an OnlyFans girl trying to figure out a new platform. I don't know if you can see that. It is 94 in the garage right now. But like I said in an older video, we're gonna be doing some brake upgrades since drag week kind of hurt the stock one. So we're switching to Strange Master for manual only, getting rid of the power brakes and stock master. We are also gonna go from this bullshit to this.
So the first thing we do is that we remove the old stock calipers, disconnect the hose and let it drain. Then we pop out that little dust cap, remove the cotter pin and the castle nut. I'm going to switch over to the driver's side, the passenger side, and show you the whole thing just in case there was anything you missed from the previous angle. Now that we're onto the brakes, we're going to go ahead and unbox everything. Get the rotor adapter, and the hub out, the wheel studs, and then start putting everything together with red Loctite and torquing all the spec. Here we got the wheel studs going in. Alright, now that we got the wheel studs in, we're going to go ahead and pack the bearings full of grease. This is always fun. And then we're going to pop that little seal in place. Once the bearings are packed, we're going to go ahead and start assembling the rotor and hat assembly. Now that we've got all that assembled, we're going to hose everything down in brake cleaner and put our caliper bracket on. Notice that I had to cut down the ears off of the stock spindle. That took a little bit. We go ahead, put everything in, castle nut in. Now we're on to the calipers. These are replacing single piston stock calipers. These are a 4-piston design. They basically match the rear of the car. We got some braided AN hoses for the rear brake lines, and then we shim the caliper. Since this is no longer a floating caliper design, it has to be spaced and centered, otherwise you will get uneven pad wear on the inner and outside brake pads.
I was planning on doing this in one big video. I think I'm just going to break it up. This one's just going to be the front brakes. The next one will be the master. Getting rid of the brake booster. Do a new proportioning valve. And finally putting the line lock back on the car. So go ahead, stay tuned, and that next one with the master will be coming right up.